Hola a todos, ¿cómo están? Espero que estén bien. I hope everybody's doing well as we begin a new week of the first new content, the first content that we're seeing for the first time here in Google Classroom, as opposed to things that up until this week have all been review of stuff that we had covered to some degree or another in class. And this new chapter, Unidad 3, is a combination of two separate vocab lists that both have to do with shopping. And you'll take a look at shopping through two different contexts. So real quick, just wanted to walk you through a little bit of what I'm looking for from you for this week. So if you go to Google Classroom, of course, the first thing you hopefully will have done is watched my video that I'm currently recording. So that is the first assignment. The second assignment is actually a combination of several different things. And you'll find there a Google Slides presentation that when you open that up, it has links to I think 6 different things that I would like you to take a look at as we focus just on vocab, just on the vocabulario de esta nueva unidad 3. For that, as we just look at this new unit 3, we're just going to focus on the vocab from this chapter before we get into anything else. So the vocab list is there. Again, one of the links in that Google Slides presentation. Then I have a couple links to some Quizlet stuff to review some Spanish 1 clothing vocab that obviously you saw last year, but then also will show up again this year. And then the new vocab from this chapter, there are kind of two different parts, like I said, two different contexts that we'll talk about shopping vocab. One is in a traditional like shopping mall, like, hey, I'm going to go to the Capital City Mall, the Harrisburg East Mall, and find different things there. And then the other context is an open air market, which if you've been to foreign countries or been to Spanish speaking countries, you'll see that open air markets I feel are much more prevalent, and so it's worth taking a look at vocab from that context as well. So there are two slides, vocab, and then algunos videos de vocabulario que van a mirar, a couple different vocab videos that I'll have you watch, and everything I think is pretty self-explanatory. So this week, again, it'll be a matter of just interacting with all the different features from this module. And then lastly, where it says La Ropa Edpuzzle, that is already set up in Google Classroom. That's actually the third assignment, because Edpuzzle and Google Classroom link to one another. So when you go in and do that Edpuzzle, it registers over at Edpuzzle that you've completed that assignment. And so again, that last thing that you see in that Google slide presentation is already here, and it's assigned to each student in my Google Classrooms. And it's just a matter of watching the video, completing the questions as it goes along. That'll count as a 5-point classwork grade towards the 4th marking period. And then I believe that is it. Again, if you have any questions, feel free to let me know. Pero creo que eso es todo y nos vemos pronto. Chao.